Check out these bright men's swimming trunks. My son received these as a gift so that he could try them out, wear them, and give his opinion about them. And they're super fun. They're lightweight, quick dry, which is perfect. They do have pockets on each side, and the pockets are zippered, which is super nice. And that you can get in the pool or the hot tub with your keys, I guess, and they won't float out. And then I believe there's a pocket on the back. Yep, and that one has a little Velcro piece to keep things nice and secure in that pocket as well. It has a compression liner, and as you can see, and it also has a pocket. He's got his phone in there. What is your tip?
Take your phone out of your pocket before you get in the pool.
Yeah, take your phone out of your pocket before you get in the pool. So how tall are you?
I'm 6'4".
6'4", and he weighs
190.
190, and he's wearing a size large, which is a perfect fit for you. So give us a thumbs up if they're good. Do you like them?
Love them.
He loves them. All right. Thanks.
If you guys like this video, make sure to go down and hit that like button and subscribe for more.